Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in a particular space on your art browser. So as you can see, I am in the art browser here and I'm currently under this space that I've created called YouTube, right? And if you don't know how to create a space, check out my playlist and you will find a tutorial how you can create a space as well. You want to right click anywhere on this left hand side sidebar and you will see edit theme color. So you just need to click on edit theme color and you will have the option here that says light or dark mode. So you can simply toggle this on and it will go to dark mode. Now, keep in mind that not all dark mode simply means that it will be dark. And as you can see between this theme color, in the dark mode, just give it a little bit darker. So if you want something much more darker, then you have to choose a different color. So you just need to turn on the dark mode and then you can select between various dark mode colors. As you can see, this is a different dark mode color. This is a different dark mode color. So you can choose between the darker light mode and you have the lighter colors. And if you want to be in the dark mode, you can choose which of these dark mode colors suits you best. Now for me, this is the closest one to a dark mode that I would like to use. And you just need to select the one that you want. So very easy and very simple, guys. Hope you found this useful. And if you do, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And as well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have seen the channel for the first time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.